In this video, I want to show you how you could simply add few birds or branches of trees. But before starting, I want to mention about to blending. I create a new layer and select some part and fill with white color. Selecting some inner part and filling with black color. Note that now we have black and white. In the blending option of layer, we have darken. As you see, only shown my darken parts, and lighten only shown lighten parts. So instead of selecting and masking or removing, we could use this advantage. For example, I found this birds on internet. I bring it here. As you see, our birds are black and background is white. So simply just set blending mode on darken. Now you could readjust, for example, decrease the opacity and simply blend it with your sky. If you don't need any part, add mask, and with brush, black color, start removing any parts you don't like. It is very simple. Also, I could add another image here. For example, something like that. I remove my previous layer, which it is birds. Again, set on darken. And start removing with mask. I don't want these parts. If you hold on the Alt or Option key and click on the layer eye icon, you could go solo mode and simply better your layers. If you note that we have some grayish color here and we don't need, of course, the color, so press Shift Control or Shift Command U to desaturate on the layer, of course. And I could press Control L or Command L on Mac and increase the light intensity a bit to remove these grayish colors. Okay. Also, I don't want these birds here and here. I'm removing birds because I want to add rain. And usually birds not flying during the rain. Alright, hold Alt or Option key and again click on the layer eye icon. Reposition your layer. I think this is fine. Later on we will work on lens effects and blurriness of this image. For now it is fine. But if you need some adjustment, first select your layer. I could press Ctrl or Command U to open Hue Saturation or go to Image Adjustment and Hue Saturation. Colorize. Increase the lightness a bit to get colorized and maybe some bluish. Oops, sorry. Okay, so this is before and after. Maybe it's not so visible, but I could show you here. Before, after. If it is too much, double click and readjust it. I think this is better. And maybe add a bit blurriness on my image. So go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. And add a bit, not too much. Okay,